Sea moss has a plethora of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and benefits. It does amazing things for the body, but it doesn't have the greatest taste. So today we are making fruit infused sea moss. This is a kid-friendly recipe, a recipe that can help the whole family get on board with their health journeys. Let's get right into it. So you're gonna wash your sea moss in spring water. You're doing this with spring water because you wanna maintain the integrity of your sea moss gel. You don't wanna use tap water or anything that might destroy or contradict the whole purpose of taking sea moss every single day. So just be mindful of the ingredients that you are putting in your sea moss gel. Like I said, you're gonna rinse off your sea moss very well with some spring water, and then you're gonna soak it overnight. This is what it should look like after. And we're gonna go ahead and drain this and blend it with some soaked dates. The reason we soak the dates, for the same reason we soak the sea moss, we want our gel to come out super smooth. The dates are gonna give it that sweetness that is going to allow it to be tasteful and kind of mimic applesauce. I blended this with some fresh organic strawberries and then just a few tablespoons of spring water, and you're just putting a few tablespoons just to help it blend. And you should have a final result of something similar to this. Guys, the dates, the strawberries, it tastes just like applesauce. I promise you, you will love this and your body's gonna love you back for it.